Quick connect tubing insertion. Notice the O-ring is down inside this hole. That's where we have to lock. Take your tubing, start pushing it in. You think you got it in? You don't. You got to push it in some more. Takes a little force. Now it's in, and you cannot pull that tubing out unless you pull this locking ring back in. Then you can pull the tubing out. Okay, let's do that one more time. You have your tubing, you start pushing it in, it goes in a little bit, and you can wiggle it, but oh, it even feels locked. Wow. Unlock. Okay, but it's not all the way in. Watch, I'm going to push it in the rest of the way. Good 1/4 of an inch more. Now it won't leak. So if you're having problems with your quick connect fittings on your filters or any place else, make sure you're pushing it all the way in. Thank you.